Hello viewers, how are you? I am fine. I am MD Kamal Hussain. I newly presentation my channel the how to make money per hour 100 to $700 make money Amazon make money from home 2022. I'm the new presentation my channel the make money online video very important and very interesting and very earning side the Amazon is e-commerce side. Amazon is the affiliate commission very interesting. Whole world every people the Amazon job lot of money make money online is online. I can present in presentation the my make money big important side the Amazon is every people we have this again make money per hour 100 to $700 on Amazon just online. I see my screen and computer the first time this computer. This is the amazon.com www.amazon.com my amazon.com my this is my account. Amazon is a two types of income. This is the affiliate account or the general account. Of course, then your the Amazon account is the affiliate account. A lot of video presentation. The another channel is the Amazon account, affiliate account. Amazon very important. The e-commerce side, the old world is the big leading the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and others country. The Amazon is a big platform. The big platform on the big side of America, Canada, Australia. You're the lot to UK, USA, UK, and Canada, and etc. The whole world, the leading the Amazon. Amazon is a very important the marketplace, the big lot of trillion dollar marketplace in this Amazon. Amazon very simple. I earn for this money. I'm the structure my sheet right now. Amazon is a affiliate site. Amazon is a affiliate e-commerce site. We have this the American side. The lot of people this work. The lot of people that make money on online. Amazon side is a two type of incomes. The one income of affiliate. The second income is the company product marketing, marketplace, Fiverr and Upwork, etc., and online. I am just the affiliate. Amazon is the very important part of the affiliate. Affiliate is a Amazon is a very important part of affiliate. I see the affiliate. Amazon is a very important part, big the per hour 100 to $700. Amazon make money this online at home, etc. The first type of the affiliate system. Affiliate system is the first time the sign up for the affiliate account of Amazon. Same things, you are the freely income, the make money free income, no website. Three type of Amazon income. The is the present time the 2022 affiliate commission. Amazon affiliate commission 2022 Amazon affiliate commission 3.54 cent is the commission present time. The Amazon is a affiliate income. This site is first time is a website, the second free blog, the third landing page, etc. A lot of oil the Amazon make money of online. You have this the gain of make money the Amazon. The first time your the best income is the website creation. That's the link, the Amazon affiliate link provide your website. Then the lot of make money gain you are the any product, any contain any niche, any chooses product. The lot of product Amazon all is this type of music. Amazon cleaners and ebook books. Amazon everywhere and right. A lot of side the shop by department, the electronics, computer, the smart home, art and cafe, see all the babies, automobiles, the beauty and personal care, the women's fashion, the men's fashion, girls fashion, boys fashion, health and houseable, the home and cares, industrial and scientific, the Lugard, the movies and television parts support, the software, sports and outdoors, sports and outdoor tools and home improvement, toy and games, video games, etc. The programming is a gift card, the Foundal or Amazon's, the Amazon Lives, the international shipping, the help and support, etc., etc. But you are the home side, the system of, I'm often in the Amazon, the music is a lot of side, the Amazon Music Unlimited, Amazon Music Premium, free streaming music products, the open OI player, the buy music card, brain download, etc., etc. The second, I am second, the kids and open the calendars and irritation and books, the calendar and irritation books, the calendars kind, the calendars purpose with kids, the calendars provide the kinds of words and accessories, the kind of retours, etc. Is the kind of stores to the lot of system. You have the your any niche chooses, there is the makeup website, makeup blogs, makeup. You have this any service is a lot of service is Amazon delivered, is Amazon channel art, another baby kids, home kids, boys fashion, electronics, etc. The lot of system, lot of products in the selling of Amazon. You have this the any product, any niche selected, then of the creating of the website, then of website and blogs and blogs and landing page. That you have three, you have this three affiliate, the Amazon affiliate, the three type of income, the commission gain, the $3.54 the per orders, just the three type of incoming, the Amazon website. Then you have the own website, making the blogs and landing page, three step. This is the income for the Amazon affiliate commission. The second system, the make money, the second type of company products marketing. You have this the first time, the marketplace, then Fiverr and Upwork, the make money. This Amazon website, you are the three-time incomes. I am again to refit my talk. The Amazon website is a big website, the e-commerce site of the US, and the trillion dollar marketplace, the Amazon. The lot of people, you have this the work of Amazon. Amazon is the affiliate commission, affiliate system is very easy and simple OI marketing. The Amazon is the one type of the website creation and blogs and landing page, that you have you're the affiliate account, the joint sign up now, the affiliate account. You have the sign up now is the affiliate account is the completely affiliate account, the affiliate affiliate account is the link up by your own website, your own blogs, or your own landing page. And the same thing is the affiliate commission system. The second system, the second system, the very easy and smoothly income is the $100 to $700 per hours. The second system is company products, it's marketing, and the marketing. This is the marketplace in the work of Fiverr or Upwork. I see that my computer screen is the Fiverr market, and second is the Upwork market. The two websites, a trust and big website, the whole world. Worldwide, the lot of people, the income, the lot of people, the trillion dollar marketplace, the Upwork and Fiverr. You have just a lot of people this work this side, the lot of side. You have the selling, the gigs, sales the person. I'm first time this Upwork. I'm first time see there is the Fiverr. I'm just right now Amazon. I'm the Fiverr, www.fiverr.com. I have the first time the search bar is search Fiverr, search bar is search Amazon. Amazon is a lot of people sales there. The sales is the your service on the Fiverr marketplace. The 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The first page you have the 10 people is 10 people. 10 people is the Amazon top rated seller, top rated seller in the market. You have this person in Amazon, your service, the big amount, this service, the big amount, this service, Amazon service. Just I am opening the 1 or 2 gig or application. This application, this system is the I am the marketplace. Okay, I have this system. This system, the well design Amazon initial the brand contract ABC plus example, the Amazon listing, product listing is a very important and dependable. This is the marketplace. The lot of people this make money of Amazon in the Fiverr marketplace. Just and the third people, the second people, you have the 250 $255 is the product. I'll do powerful the Amazon product listing and Amazon SEO description. Is a very simple. This person is service of Amazon, is a product listing owner as a product listing, very simple and easy work. The Amazon page that your clients the product uploading. This present time these sellers is the total this gig sell 1 to 154 the plus 3 water coins. I am just calculating this. This seller is order now $255 is equal to your total selling 254 and 3 257. 257 is equal to $65,000. This is the gig sale. I am just my video opening only for this the attractive. The keyword is Amazon the per hour $100 to $700 is make money online make money Amazon the make money from home the 2022. Same system is Amazon product listing. This person, this seller, you have this sell your Amazon product listing, your Amazon page and Amazon page and SEO, a search engine optimization, Amazon description. The two service this person the make money on $36,000 is the monthly. The second person, you have the $654. You have the $25 orders queen, and he will design the Amazon, ensure the brand content and ABC's plus and etc. You have the Amazon product listing and Amazon product design. This person, he's the $650 is the this seller is the 1,453 plus plus 25 orders is queen. You have the average is a 15,000 order, 1,500 orders is a complete. This seller 1,500 orders is equal to $650 is my the calculator 97,090 $9,75,000 this seller income. I'm the gain this the divided is the 1 years. 1 years is a $80,000. The divided is the 30 days. 30 days you have this per days 27 3 200 $2,700 for dress income. I am just that just the support and easy oil, just the information attractive this people. This the Amazon is a very big important the e-commerce like the America, Canada, Australia, UK, etc. This others countries. The lot of people the Amazon your company's product sales, your company's book sale, the another lot of people car and everything's the digital goods sales is the Amazon marketplace. The lot of clients is Amazon marketplace. You have to support the clients is Amazon is a business owner support this the Amazon product listing and Amazon SEO, Amazon content, etc. Amazon product design. You have this the make money, this the seller, the lot of big money. You have this system $250 per days. This person is at $445. You have the 52 and 2 orders 56 54. I'm the calculating this sellers is a real 54 into 450 $45 is equal to $24,000 is month income. that it is possible and true, it is possible and true and real marketplace and Fiverr and Upwork. You have this Amazon supporting the Amazon design, Amazon product design, Amazon product listing, Amazon SEO, and the etc etc etc. This is the support service, then the lot of make money gain is the Amazon marketplace. This seller is a system. You have this Amazon FBA provide the level product the research. You have this the any kind of product researches FBA. I thank you very much my all participate. Please now subscribe button and your friends and family they shares my videos. You can support them. I next video make money gaming. Thank you very much my all participate, my all friends and family, my all children, my all teacher, my all families, my all friends. Thank you very much my all friends. I can presentation my make money the Amazon is how to possible 1 hours $100 to $700 every hour they make money. How to monthly 10 to 50 lakhs 1 lakh dollar earn for the make money. You have that the next time I'm the last my videos. Again this repeat my talks. Amazon is a very big platform, is a e-commerce site of American. Amazon is a two type of income this online. The first time income is Amazon affiliate present time is Amazon affiliate commission $2023.54. You have three system. Three system is the income for this Amazon, the lot of make money gain, website and blogs and landing page etc etc. The second size is company products and marketing in the Fiverr marketplace and product marketing, product SEO, etc etc. Again this is the marketplace, the Fiverr marketplace. You have just search Amazon, the lot of seller is just selling this product. The second system thing of the Upwork same thing is Amazon. This is just Upwork is Amazon. Lot of people the Amazon, lot of people is Amazon work in the marketplace of Amazon. Thank you very much. I thank you very much. I hope that every people you have trying in the Amazon is very important and powerful, very important and powerful marketplace e-commerce site of the American. The worldwide is Amazon site. Amazon is a very important. You can the learn and you can the technique, you can the study, you can the request the learning is the game. The one skill is the game. Amazon is a lot of money gain in the affiliate marketing or the free marketing. So thank you very much my all thank you very much my all participate. Thank you very much all viewers. Thank you very much. Please request them the my channel subscribe and the notification button click them, and your friends and family share my video, and your any question requirement please them the your comments box. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Best of luck my all friends and families. You can stay home, try to the make money Amazon and marketplace. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz, and the best of luck.